Hey there, science enthusiasts! Ever wondered how we crack some of the biggest mysteries in chemistry? Welcome to Chemical Clues, Solving Mysteries in Forensics and Nature, where today I'm diving into how artificial intelligence is becoming the ultimate detective in the world of chemistry. First up, let's talk about fingerprint analysis. Imagine a crime scene with countless fingerprints everywhere. Traditional methods can be slow and tedious, but with AI, it's a game changer. AI algorithms scan and compare these prints at lightning speed. They look for unique patterns, ridges and loops, matching them against vast databases in seconds. It's like having a supercharged detective on your team, making it easier to identify suspects and solve cases faster. Now let's shift gears to DNA testing. Remember the times when DNA results took weeks, even months? Not anymore. AI can now process and analyze DNA samples with incredible accuracy and speed. These advanced algorithms can identify genetic markers, predict traits, and even reconstruct complex family trees in real time. It's like piecing together a jigsaw puzzle with millions of pieces, and AI is the master puzzle solver. But wait, there's more. Toxin identification is another area where AI shines. Picture a scenario where a mysterious substance is found, and time is of the essence. Traditional chemical analysis can be slow and require extensive expertise, but AI steps in to save the day. By cross-referencing the chemical structure of the toxin with known substances, AI can quickly pinpoint what it is and how to neutralize it. It's like having an emergency hotline that never fails. AI simulations are crucial in these processes. They allow scientists to visualize and test hypotheses in a virtual environment before applying them in real life. Think of it as a virtual lab where experiments can be run, tweaked, and perfected without the need for physical resources. This not only speeds up research, but also minimizes the risk of errors. So how does this all work in real time? Let's break it down step by step. First, data is collected, be it fingerprints, DNA samples, or toxin residues. Next, AI algorithms analyze this data, comparing it against massive databases to find matches or identify patterns. Finally, the results are interpreted by experts who use this information to solve crimes, understand genetic relationships, or neutralize hazards. In the ever-evolving world of chemistry, AI is not just a tool, it's a revolutionary partner. From making our streets safer with quick fingerprint analysis, to unlocking the secrets of our DNA and identifying toxins in record time, AI is transforming the way we solve mysteries. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating insights into the world of science. Until next time, stay curious.